Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome back. I'm going to be showing you how I make this carrot oil that's great for your hair and skin. It's super easy to make and it has amazing benefits. So if you are interested in learning how to make this, then please keep on watching. Carrots are rich in beta carotene, vitamin A, and E, and all these are essential for hair growth. It can also help to promote healthy skin as well as helping with dermatitis and dry skin. So I'm going to go on and show you the steps. I have 2 freshly washed carrots, but I only used 1.5. I took off the ends and then I used my grater to get the amount that I needed. This is what I have so far. I'm going to be drying the carrots next using my air fryer. It's very important to dry the carrots before infusing with the oil. Carrots are made up of 90% water, so this step is very important. If you do not have an air fryer, you can spread your carrots on a tray and let it dry overnight. I set my air fryer at 135 and it took about 4 hours. This is what it's looking like. It's well dried and it's ready for use. All I'm going to do is take it out of my air fryer and put it in my mason jar. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. My name is Esther and I love all things DIY hair and skincare, and I hope you would consider subscribing. I'm going to use some extra virgin olive oil. There is no set measurement, just pour enough to cover the carrots. I'm using a mix of avocado oil and extra virgin olive oil. The goal is just to cover up the carrots so there is enough oil to infuse. Everything I used in today's video will be in the description box. Please feel free to use any combination of oils. I left my oils to infuse for 3 weeks. I put it in my pantry, just a cool, dark place. The longer you leave your oils, the better. All I'm going to do next is strain the oil. Once the oil is strained, it's pretty much ready for use. You can add essential oils if you like, or you can leave it as it is. It is amazing for your hair and skin, as a moisturizer for your skin, as a moisturizer for your hair and scalp. I used rosemary and lavender essential oil, about 8 drops of rosemary oil, and I used about 6 drops of lavender oil. Like I said, they are completely optional. I love the combination for my hair. When storing your oil, it's best to use a dark colored bottle, anything that will help to keep out sunlight. This oil is going to be great for months and months. It's not going to go bad because the carrots were dried. Our carrot oil is ready. Go on and try this super easy recipe out. It's awesome for your hair and skin, I promise. It's cheap. Let me know if you're going to be trying this out, and if you haven't subscribed, please go on and subscribe, comment, like, and share this video, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, be well. Bye bye.